my sewing friends. We just kind of went through this recently, didn't we? I showed you a bunch of patterns. I had a pattern haul, and then I talked about Laura Ashley, and I want to talk about Laura Ashley again, but I went and bought more patterns. So yeah, let me tell you about those. I'll show them to you, and I'll try and do it quickly because my goodness, it's like 100 degrees out here. It's really hot. Okay, the first one is Simplicity 8049. I thought this could be wrapped to the back. I thought it was just, it's a 1960s reprint, and I really liked it. There are the line drawings. Yeah, I just liked it. I thought that's kind of cute. And the way that I wear clothes these days, that's kind of perfect. Simplicity 8657 is a hacking pattern. Normally, I would not go for something like this, but lately, around my house in the evenings, a maxi dress has been perfect. And so I just thought this, boy, if you made it in a linen, it would be beautiful. But you could also make it even in a knit if you really wanted to. So here are the line drawings. And yeah, I mean, this looks so simple. So yeah, and all the sizes come in one envelope. This is extra, extra small to extra, extra large. So that's a good deal. I got another vintage reprint, Simplicity 8932, because I was thinking of my girls when I picked this up. But what I like is this top. Yeah, I just think that's so flattering. And so yeah. Just picked it up, little swimsuit, vintage swimsuit. Here are the line drawings. There you go. And I picked up 2 copies of Simplicity 8922 because I didn't know who would want a pair of these, but these are just comfy pants. And I don't know, I guess I was just thinking, I don't have comfy pants like this, and I know McKenna would love these. So I just thought, what the heck? So I went ahead and grabbed them in all the sizes, depending on who likes them. Jenna likes these too, so line drawings. Yeah, those could be really cute. And I like how at the bottom of the legs, you have all these variations. So that was the appeal there. And this one I had seen in the catalog, and I just really loved it. This is Simplicity 8875, and it is just a beautiful dress. I saw that and I just loved it. I love the high empire waist. I love the V-neck. I love the flutter sleeve. There aren't very many things I don't like about this dress. But I just thought, ooh, that might be pretty to try. Here are the line drawings. I got a message from Sybil, and she is a subscriber, and she's also a person I follow on Instagram. And she said, you know what, I've got some of those Laura Ashley patterns that you showed in your last video, and I've also got some just things that are out of date, they're vintage-ish, and I thought maybe you would like them. So she sent me a package of patterns. Sybil, that was so kind of you. Just wonderfully kind. And yeah, don't you love it when people are like that? I mean, I tend to be that person who wants to send things, and I'm not a very gracious receiver because I don't like being the receiver. I like being the giver, but I just have to rave about the generosity of this woman to, you know, put these patterns in an envelope and send them to me. I just appreciate it so much. So let me show you what they are. This is Simplicity, what is this, 9187. It is a Daisy Kingdom dress. I swear to you, I think I had a dress like this. I may have even had this pattern, but I don't have it anymore. But now I have it again. So it is from 1994. And, you know, it was just so indicative of the styles back then. Really pretty. I'm pretty sure this is not a jacket and a dress. It's just all one piece. Very 1994. Very, 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 very. I love it. And then Simplicity 9185 is a Kathy Lee pattern. And again, so, let's see, this is also 94. Just so 1994. I love the collar. I love just, you know, I don't know, everything. This is a top and a skirt and a jacket. So here are the line drawings. I love this style. Gotta say, that was my style and kind of still is. The other things that she sent me were Laura Ashley patterns because, you know, I talked about my absolute love affair with Laura Ashley design. And so she said, I've got a couple of those patterns. And she sent me this one because it's a different size than the one I have. This is a size 8. This is McCall's 2168, and this is from 1985. I just love this one. I love it. It's got that little vest. Here are the line drawings. It's just a skirt and a top and a vest. And I've talked about it before, so I won't do that again. And then she also included McCall's 8909, which is one I did not have. And oh gosh, look at that. Look at that maxi dress. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Just so pretty. This is from 1984. And here are the line drawings. So beautiful. Oh, that sweetheart neckline with a little tiny ruffle going around. It's so pretty. And then, you know what? I realized I had more patterns that were Laura Ashley. So I thought, well, I'll just drag those out and show them to you too. These are not fashion fabrics, designs. These aren't clothing. These are accessories. So this is from, let's see. I don't see it. Oh, here it is. 2004. And this is just bags. But they're Laura Ashley bags. Really pretty. I don't know why I bought this. I'm sure I had a reason, but these are more like to carry your laptop in. So I wonder what it's, business bags. So yeah, that's the idea with this one. Here are bags and hats. You gotta love a hat. This is from 2008. This is McCall's 5641. Gotta love those hats. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Gotta love them. Did I tell you? Oh yeah, this one's from 2004. Oh, this one is McCall's 4531. That's the business bags. And then hats is 5641. And the last one is McCall's 4794. This is from 2006. One hat, a bunch of bags. Oh, Laura Ashley, I just love you so. And the last six that I have, what I did was I sat down with my pattern catalogs that I got recently at Hobby Lobby, and I found all the Laura Ashley patterns that I don't own. And I thought, if I'm gonna collect these, keep collecting these, and really be serious about collecting these, then I need to go get the ones that are out in print now and put those in my stash. I think I'm gonna have a whole section of my patterns called Laura Ashley. Okay, so this is McCall's 7834. It is dresses, tiered skirts. There are the line drawings. McCall's 7717. This is the one I had to go to the other Joann's to get. And this is just dresses with some sleeve variations. Really pretty, actually. And there are the line drawings. I really like that. So pretty. Whoops. McCall's 7358 is tops with kind of sleeve variations again. Really cute. that little side tie. This is a wrap top, but it's got that the back yoke with the gathering, which is so pretty. And up on the shoulder of UC, there is some top stitching. Here's another top, just a cute little top, probably for my girls. This is McCall's 7929. I don't know that I could pull this off, but oh, how cute is it? There are the line drawings. That really is cute. Yeah, it really is. Let's see. McCall 7804 is just a dress with sleeve and some neckline variations. There we go. And here are the line drawings. And last one is McCall's 7963, and this is a jumpsuit and romper. How cute is that? So cute. It's just adorable. And it is a pull-on style. Here are the line drawings. You can see that some of them lace up the back, and it's probably just a wide enough neckline that you can just pull it over your head or step into it and pull it up. So that's my pattern haul. Okay, I think I'm done with patterns for now, at least until the fall winter stuff comes out. And if there's anything Laura Ashley that's new, then I will grab that. I did go onto Pinterest and I looked and I made kind of a long list of all the Laura Ashley patterns that I do not own that are vintage. So I have my eye on them. So as I see them and they come up on Etsy, maybe for cheap, then I'll check in periodically and just see what I find. And so I may get more. I don't know yet. I have to see. I am working on my sewing room. I had to clear it out for the weekend, this past weekend, because I had kids who came and stayed, and we have to use that room for additional sleeping space. So I thought, well, I'm just going to clear a bunch of stuff out while I have to. I'll clear that stuff out and put it into the library where it's going to go eventually. So I am recording the process of creating that room, creating a sewing room in that room. So yeah, it's pretty involved. I have to build a door, and I have to I got an old door at the Habitat for Humanity Restore, and I'm going to cut off the end to make it fit, but oh my gosh, it's 36 inches deep, wide. Oh, what a dream come true. That's going to be wonderful. So I've got to do that. I've got to put wheels on a couple of my storage cubes, and so that's going to take, you know, not a huge amount of time, but a little bit of time. I've been watching a lot of YouTube on woodworking. Even though I've built a coffee table, I haven't built a door. So yeah, that's in the works. I'll let you know as I get it finished, and I will document the process so that you can see how it goes. Okay, that's it for now for me. And I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.